Most luxurious hotels in London. The English capital London isn't just home to the UK's government and the royal family. It is also a second home for many of the wealthiest people in the world, attracted by London's status as a center of finance and trade. But if you haven't got a palace, a mansion, or a £1,000,000 flat, you are left to choose between dozens of London's luxury hotels. London is a home to a variety of top-notch luxury hotels that it can get very hard to choose the right one. London is also famous for some of the top tourist spots in the world, like Big Ben, London Eye Observatory Wheel, and many more. So I have collected a list of top 10 luxurious hotels so you can choose from them and enjoy your trip. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video we are going to check out most luxurious hotels in London. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 10. The Berkeley. Just a moment away from the shopping of Knightsbridge, the Berkeley is one of the city's most sophisticated retreats. Every room is a combination of comfort, latest innovations, and stylish design, which surely meets the need of travelers who are seeking modern taste in living. A unique aspect and speciality of this hotel is that each room is designed separately, and no two rooms or suites are alike. So each person in this hotel is experiencing a different style of designing. Berkeley is designed by some of the world's most renowned interior designers, like John Hay and Helen Green Studio. The other luxurious suites of this hotel are on the 7th floor, where the Heavenly Pool, Secret Garden, and Luxury Bumper Spa provides a calm retreat with views over the London's skyline. Number 9. Belmont Hotel. Belmont Hotel is a historic property dating from 1887 and located on Sloane Street, but it was opened in 2019 with full renovations. This hotel has 54 rooms and suites, which reflects the hotel's rich heritage, creating a stylish retreat for visitors. Belmont's hotel's British cuisine is so famous, which is beautifully presented in the restaurant. Another specialty of this hotel is their private green gardens, which gives an enhancing space and calm to the visitors, away from the buzz and life of the city. Number 8. Shangri-La at the Shard. This luxurious hotel is situated on the level 34 to 32 of the tallest skyscraper of the European Union, the Shard in South London, which offers spectacular views of the city below. You can enjoy the mesmerizing scene of the city in the bedroom, lounge, living room, and even from the bathroom. There are 202 rooms and suites in this hotel, all reflecting Shangri-La's heritage, with soft Asian touches in the lobby. The entire property is mostly decorated with modern and classical art pieces of Asian and British art. Shangri-La Hotel offers a fully equipped gym, high-end spa, and sky pool to its residents. And last but not the least, the culinary team of this hotel mesmerizes you with their European cuisine, indulged with an Asian twist, giving a unique taste to your taste buds. Number 7. The Savoy, Fairmont. The Savoy Hotel is located in central London, which itself is an expensive area of London. It is situated on the north bank of the River Thames within Covent Garden's shopping district. This hotel has 268 lavishly decorated rooms in either Edwardian or Art Deco style. Many suites give a stunning view of River Thames, which is a unique experience for visitors. Spa treatment, special butler services, 24-hour gym, and a private pool is a luxury offer which is available for suite residents. It is also known as the destination hotel for foodies because it has 7 stylish restaurants which offer different things to suit all the tastes. Number 6. Mandarin Oriental Hyde Park. This hotel is one of the most celebrated and iconic 5-star hotels, which offers an enticing mix of oriental elegance and fashionable luxury in the center of the British capital. It is situated on a central location overlooking iconic Hyde Park and Knightsbridge, from which many of the London's famous attractions are on a walking distance or a short ride away. The hotel has 167 rooms and 26 lavishly furnished suites with individual features, with a guest service manager on every floor to cater to any needs of their residents. And last but not the least, food lovers can experience London's 2 most impressive dining here, including historic British and French bistro dining. Number 5. Four Seasons London at Park Lane. Surrounded by greenery in the heart of the Mayfair, the luxurious and redesigned Four Seasons Hotel at Park Lane is unique in London. Inspired by the golden age of travel, the hotel's 147 guest rooms and 46 suites are a modern take of luxurious passenger ships, using classical English shades and furniture. The uniqueness of this hotel is its many signature innovations, like overnight laundry and one-hour pressing, complimentary toiletries, and 24 hours business center. This hotel gives its residents an exciting opportunity to ride Rolls-Royce cars within a mile of the hotel, which is perfect for exploring the fascinating experience of London. Number 4. The Langham London. This hotel is situated in one of the London's premier locations, at the heart of London's West End. For 150 years, the legendary hotel has enchanted royalty and dignitaries, and this European icon looks younger than ever. Thanks to a major recent refurbishment, Langham London has massive 380 elegant rooms and suites with all of the necessary conveniences. The hotel also offers world-class facilities to restore body and spirit, with a chic spa and a 16-meter swimming pool in the basement. Additionally, this hotel offers luxurious surroundings on Regent Street, close to many local attractions and popular shopping destinations. Number 3. The Lansborough. The Lansborough Hotel reopened in the summer of 2015 following an extensive renovation project by Albert Pinto, the world-renowned interior design studio. It is now managed by the prestigious Whitaker Collection. This iconic landmark is situated at the heart of the capital's beloved boutiques and fashionable neighborhoods. The renovation honors the building's architectural heritage as one of the London's most Regency landmarks. This hotel has 93 rooms with a Victorian-style architecture, incorporating luxury and technological innovations. This hotel was awarded number 1 in London in the Travel and Leisure World's Best Awards. Hotel guests can enjoy complimentary access to gym, a hydro pool, as well as a separate male and female saunas and steam room. Number 2. Bulgari London. This luxurious hotel is located in Knightsbridge on the edge of the Hyde Park, right in the center of the city and a walking distance from famous shopping centers Harrods. It was opened in 2012, and after that it has set new standards of luxury while competing with the rest of the London's hotel. There are 85 rooms and suites in this hotel, which are among the largest in London, and you can enjoy each and every facility of the world while sitting in these rooms. The hotel also has a 47-seat cinema, an impressive spa, and a unique cigar shop to deliver a city hotel experience that is unique in the world. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button and share it with your friends. Number 1. The Rosewood London. Here comes the number 1 luxurious and finest 5-star hotel in London, situated in High Holborn, which is London's historic area. This hotel is decorated with a blend of English heritage with contemporary sophistication. It was renovated to create an ultra-luxurious hotel with the ambience of a stylish London residence. There are 262 rooms and 44 suites in this hotel, which gives a comfortable and luxurious experience to the residents. The hotel's restaurant and bar share a genuine British sensibility, translating the city's diverse traditions with a delightfully modern approach. So, where would you like to live in? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for today's video of most luxurious hotels in London. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxury videos like this. And if you have any video idea, leave it in a comment below. I'll surely consider it. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.